Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sir DL and welcome to the Aliens Vlog and Math Tutorials. For today, we are going to talk about list common multiple listing method. We are going to study list common multiple by listing method. What are the objectives of this lesson? Number one, discuss list common multiple. Number two, identify the list common multiple of the given numbers. Again, discuss list common multiple. Number two, identify the least common multiple of the given numbers. Let's start. Always remember, accept that everyone fails. You must keep on trying. Accept that everyone fails. Keep trying. What is least common multiple? The least common multiple of two or more numbers is the smallest number that is evenly divisible by all numbers in the set. The least common multiple of two or more numbers is the smallest number that is evenly divisible by all numbers in the set. Now, how do you find the LCM? We find LCM in different ways, but for today, we will be focusing on listing method. First step, list the multiples of each number until at least one of the multiples appears on all of the list. Number two, find the smallest number that is on all of the list. We will just be finding the smallest number that is on all of the list. Let's have an example. Find the least common multiple of 4 and 5. We will be listing the multiples of 4 and we will be listing the multiples of 5. Then we will be looking for the common multiples of both numbers. What are the multiples of 4? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40, and so on and so forth. What are the multiples of 5? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Okay, we are now finished with the first step. We list down the multiples of each given number. Now, we will be looking for the common number on each multiple, on both multiples, I should say. What are those numbers? We have 20 and 20. We also have 40, 40. But we are looking for the least, that is the smallest common multiple. That means the final answer is 20. The least common multiple of 4 and 5 is 20. Let's have another example. Find the least multiples of each number. Find the least common multiple of 6 and 8. The first step, list down the multiples of 6 and 8. We have here 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 54, and 60. That could be for the multiples of 6. And the multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. We will now be looking for the smallest common numbers on both 6 and 8, or the common multiples of both 6 and 8. What are those multiples? We have 24 and 24. We also have 48 and 48. But we are just looking on the smallest common multiple, and that is 24. Very good. The least common multiple of 6 and 8 is 24. I hope you were able to follow our instructions. Let's have another example. You try this one on your own. I'll give you enough time. Try this one on your own. Okay, let's solve all together. Find the least common multiple of 3 and 9. How do we find the common multiple? It's just simply listing down the multiples of both numbers. Then we will be looking for the least common multiple of both numbers. First one, we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, and so on and so forth. Those are the multiples of 3. For 9, we have 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, and so on and so forth. For this example, we have 9, 9, 18, 18. We also have 27 and 27 and many more. But we are just after the smallest or the least common multiple, and that is 9. Very good. The least common multiple of 3 and 9 is 9. Let's have another example. We have find the least common multiple of 2, 4, and 6. We will just simply listing down the multiples of 2, the multiples of 4, and the multiples of 8. Then we will be looking for the common multiple, but we will be just after the least common multiple of all the numbers, of the 3 numbers, I should say. Let's list down. The multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24. The multiples of 6 and 4, 4, 8, 12, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44. The multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, and so on and so forth. Let's find the common multiple of all the numbers. We have 12, 12. We also have 24, 24. But we are just after the smallest or the least common multiple, and that is 12. That's why the least common multiple of 2, 4, and 6 is 12. Let's have another example. Find the least common multiple of 3, 5, and 6. How do you find the least common multiple by listing method? We just simply list down all the multiples of the given numbers. What are the multiples of 3? We have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, and so on and so forth. We have the multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and so on and so forth. We have the multiples of 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, and so on and so forth. We have the common multiples, the common multiple, which is 30, 30. I think we will be having a lot of multiples if we will be extending all the multiples of the given number, but we are just looking for the least common multiple, and that is 30. Very good. The final answer is 30. The least common multiple of 3, 5, and 6 is 30. You try this one on your own. Find the least common multiple of 5, 8, and 10. The processes are just simply list down all the multiples of the given number. Then we will be just looking for the common multiple, but the least common multiple will be the final answer. You try this one on your own. Okay, let's answer all together. What are the multiples of 5? We have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and so on and so forth. We have the multiples of 8, which are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, and 80, 88, 96, and so on and so forth. For 10, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. We will just be looking the common multiple or multiples of the given numbers. The common multiple is 40, 40, 40. But again, if we will be extending all the multiples of the given numbers, we might find another multiple, but we are just looking for the least common multiple or the smallest common multiple, and that is 40. The final answer is 40. Next. Oh, we're finished. Thank you for watching. Always remember that mathematics will always remind us that in every problem there is a solution. Mathematics will always remind us that in every problem there is a solution. Thank you for watching and God bless you. Bye.